going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy G Legacy. Today I'm going to be doing lower ball joints on the Mazda Build. I'm just going to walk you guys through how to get this done. If you guys, in case you guys have, just in case you guys have one of these Mazda 5 or maybe a Mazda 3 or similar design vehicles. Anyway, stay tuned. And yeah, let's just get the car jacked up. This lower ball joint is what's gone bad. If you can look at the caliper, the rotor, the caliper, and if you look right here, right below at the bottom of the rotor, that's the ball joint right there. That's the one we're gonna want to change. But unfortunately, they don't just sell that ball joint, right? See it, that little knob right up there? We're gonna need to pull this. I believe it's a 14 mil bolt out. And then we got a 19 mil over here. And then we have two 17s over there. You got one right here. I also need to take that bump stop and put it on the new one. Alright, y'all. You can see I've got my jack right here. It's mounted to a bolt sticking down from the AC compressor right here. So it's just like one of these bolts right here that it's mounted to. Alright, now what I gotta do here is tug on that, the bolt, so I can get it to clear that shield for the AC coil. And then, it's my little man. Oh. So once I tug on it like that, I'll be able to get it out. And just like that, she's out, y'all. That was crazy, y'all. Alright, let's go down there. You got those two 17 mil bolts. That's one. Alright, y'all, so I've already gotten this bad boy out. Now, what I'm gonna do, I've got everything loose. And you can see, it's all pretty loose. It's just this bad boy needs some precision to get out. Kind of like that. Woo! Bending. Just like that, y'all. You see it? You see it? Just like that, she's out, y'all. Oh, y'all, she's out. And here's the new one. Let's do a comparison. It should say R on it there, but I'm pretty sure it's the right one. It's R, so see that? See that? Perfect match. What I'm gonna do now is remove the bump stop and put it over here. Let's grab a, what do you call this? What is this? 12 mil, y'all. Y'all gonna need a 12 mil for this guy. These two bolts over here. Alright, y'all, let's get it. Alright, y'all, now that we've got the bump stop transferred over, let's put this thing back in the car.
that's it for the Mazda build today, y'all. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.